So by doing this little quiz made up of 6 questions, the TryHackMe recommends you a suited career that it's let's say based on your responses. Okay, so if I was stranded on an island, the first thing I would do, try and build a raft home, scope the landscape for potential threats, gather food and plan next steps, find a way to send an SOS, build a secure shelter to prevent potential attacks. I presume scope the land for potential threats. In my spare time, I like to tinker with new technology, understand how it works, watch crime now, keep busy by learning something new. Okay. If I could buy a fictional celebrity dinner with Tony Stark, Iron Man, Sherlock Holmes, Bruce Wayne, Batman. I mean, Batman is my favorite. Let's say, even the name of my, check this out. The name of my machine is Batman. Batman, alright. But that being said, to buy a dinner with a fictional, I think Tony Stark and Bruce Wayne, when they are not Batman, they are just no, they are not fun, and I don't know, they are portraying an image that no complication. Walter White, oh heck no. I guess Sherlock Holmes. My favorite game is, I don't know this one. Battleships. I'm best described as curious, strategical, calm under pressure, mischievous, practical. I mean, there are multiple answers. I will say this. My favorite movie is... Oh man, this quiz is kind of... It's just fun. For fun. Alright. Security analyst.